City life moves fast, and the right blade in your pocket can make a dozen everyday moments effortless. Breaking down shipping boxes, slicing through stubborn packaging, prepping lunch at your desk, or handling a quick repair on the go. But here's what most people get wrong. They reach straight for a folding knife, when a compact fixed blade is actually the smarter urban tool. There are a lot of great reasons to carry a fixed blade instead of a folder. They're faster to deploy, have better ergonomics, are more reliable, and are typically more affordable. And that's not some niche opinion either. It's where the whole industry is heading. Besides MagnaCut, the biggest trend in knives is EDC fixed blades, especially knives that can be easily carried in your pocket rather than on your belt. They are ideal for everyday urban use and convenience, offering greater strength, faster access, and simpler maintenance, better suited for users who prioritize durability and quick deployment over compact size. One quick but important note before we dive in. 6 EDC knife legality varies by state and city. Most areas allow small knives, but blade length and carry method may be restricted, so always check local laws before carrying. Today, we're counting down the top 8 best affordable fixed blade knives for urban areas. Every one compact, capable, wallet-friendly, and available right now on Amazon. Stick around to number 1, because it's the value king that experts can't stop recommending. Let's get into it, starting at number 8. Number 8, Cold Steel Kyoto. Kicking off our countdown is a sleek, discreet little blade that looks right at home in a concrete jungle. The Cold Steel Kyoto is a compact fixed blade that brings serious tactical styling to a genuinely budget price, making it a smart pick for the urban dweller who wants something low profile, yet ready to work. It's the kind of knife that slips into your daily kit without drawing attention. The spec sheet is dialed in for city carry. The Cold Steel Kyoto features a 3.25-inch durable compact 8CR13 MOV stainless steel fixed blade tanto, a textured Schrade X handle, and a sheath included. That 8CR13 MOV steel is a smart choice for an affordable urban tool. It's a stainless that resists the rust and corrosion that plague carbon blades, takes a keen edge, and sharpens back up with minimal effort. For a knife that'll see daily packages, cordage, and light food prep, that low-maintenance toughness is exactly what you want. The tanto blade shape brings real strength to the table, too. That reinforced, angular tip concentrates force for piercing through tough materials like heavy tape, thick cardboard, and stubborn plastic clamshell packaging, the kind of stuff that dulls and frustrates lesser blades. It's a profile built for puncturing and hard-use cutting rather than delicate slicing, which suits the rough and tumble realities of city tasks perfectly. That grippy Schrade X handle is another standout feature. Cold Steel's rubberized handle material locks into the palm with confidence, holding secure even when your hands are sweaty, wet, or cold from a winter commute. Combined with the compact overall footprint, the Kyoto stays controllable and safe through every cut, never feeling slippery or unwieldy. Carry is straightforward thanks to the included sheath, letting you tuck it discreetly into a bag, pack, or pocket without fuss. It's the kind of grab-and-go simplicity that makes a fixed blade so appealing for daily urban use. No opening, no fumbling, just draw and cut. For the city dweller who wants an affordable, low-profile, rust-resistant fixed blade with a strong piercing tip and a secure grip, the Cold Steel Kyoto is a brilliant way to open this list. Number 7. Schrade SCHF13. It is a compact, full-tang fixed blade that punches dramatically above its rock-bottom price, making it a fantastic no-worries option for anyone who wants serious capability without babying their gear. The real-world testimonials say it all. One long-term user summed it up perfectly, calling the SCHF13 sturdy enough to pry open brown coconuts with no problem, small enough to carry every day, but big enough to be useful for anything. That blend of toughness and pocketability is the holy grail for an urban carry knife, small enough to forget you have it, yet stout enough to handle whatever the day throws at it. And the durability isn't just talk. After extensive daily abuse, that same user reported that the stone wash blade hardly shows anywhere at all. It keeps a great edge, and the Kydex sheath still has great retention. For a knife at this price point, that kind of long-haul reliability is genuinely remarkable, and it speaks to how overbuilt this little blade really is. The full-tang construction is the backbone of that toughness. The steel runs the entire length of the knife, so there's no weak joint to fail when you lean on it hard, whether you're prying, scraping, or putting real force behind a cut. That solid slab build gives the SCHF13 a confidence-inspiring rigidity that belies its tiny footprint. The included Kydex sheath is another genuine plus. Hard Kydex offers crisp, secure retention and fast, reliable deployment, snapping the blade in place until you need it and releasing cleanly when you draw. It's a far better carry solution than the flimsy nylon pouches that often come bundled with budget blades. There's even a matching neck knife mini version for those who want to go ultra compact, giving you options depending on your carry style and environment. For the urbanite who wants a virtually indestructible, full-tang fixed blade at a shockingly low price, a true buy it and abuse it workhorse, the Schrade SCHF13 is a phenomenal pick. Tiny, tough, and incredible value, a strong number 7. Number 6. Gerber Stowe. The Gerber Stowe is a handsome, practical little fixed blade from one of America's most trusted gear brands, blending genuinely good slicing performance with classy, understated looks that suit an urban professional just as well as a weekend adventurer. It's the kind of blade you won't feel self-conscious pulling out at the office. Gerber has a reputation for nailing this exact niche. As one reviewer put it, Gerber gear products strike the perfect balance between affordability and functionality. The Stowe embodies that philosophy completely. It delivers real-world cutting capability and a refined aesthetic without ever stretching your budget, which is precisely what most city carriers are after. The cutting performance genuinely impresses for the size. Testers found that. The Gerber Stowe has a nice, shallow edge angle that slices well despite its small size, and the large continuous belly makes it good for food prep. That generous belly is a real asset for urban tasks. It glides through apples, sandwiches, and produce at your desk, and handles everyday slicing chores with smooth, controlled ease. In hands-on testing, it held its own admirably. Reviewers noted that. It performed well in the cutting tests for its size, confirming that this isn't just a pretty face. It's a legitimately capable little tool that earns its keep in daily use. The handle material is another thoughtful touch. The Stowe features a clip-point carbon steel blade, and the handle material is a black moisture-wicking micarta handle, making for a practical EDC knife. That micarta grip is tough, attractive, and grippy even in damp conditions, and it ages beautifully with use, developing character that makes the knife feel uniquely yours over time. Worth a quick honest note, that carbon steel blade will need a wipe down and occasional light oiling to keep rust at bay, a small trade-off for the toughness and easy sharpening carbon offers. Number 5. Kizer Deckhand. The Kizer Deckhand has earned a reputation as a budget standout, and it's become a go-to recommendation for anyone dipping their toes into the fixed-blade EDC world. It's accessible, capable, and surprisingly refined for the money. The praise from reviewers is direct and unambiguous. Testers flatly called it the most budget-friendly EDC fixed blade we tested, and crucially, that affordability doesn't come at the cost of capability. In fact, they singled it out by noting that Kizer makes some great budget-friendly fixed blades, but the Deckhand is the most versatile from an EDC standpoint. That versatility is exactly what makes it such a smart urban pick. The grip is a genuine highlight, especially for a knife this compact and affordable. Reviewers found that. The handle has a lot of grip for a small knife. The micarta scales have a good, dry texture, so it feels solid in the hand even in wet conditions. For city use in rain, snow, or sweaty summer commutes, that secure, confidence-inspiring hold is a major safety and comfort advantage. The carry system is clever and pocket-friendly, too. The clip is a big, open J-shaped spring meant to slip easily into the hip, but it works fine in the pocket, especially since it comes in a taco-style sheath, so there's less material sticking out to scratch at whatever else you carry in there. That thoughtful design keeps it from snagging or scratching your phone and keys. One practical tip from the testers worth passing along. The Deckhand comes in high carbon steel, but if you want a more weather-resistant option, going with the black-coated version is the smart move. That coated variant shrugs off rust far better for damp urban environments. For the city carrier who wants the most affordable, versatile, grippy fixed blade available, the Kizer Deckhand is a fantastic value. Cheap, capable, and genuinely well-designed. Number 4. Vosteed Marmoset is a modern, thoughtfully designed fixed blade that pairs premium-feeling components with an adaptable carry system, making it a standout choice for the discerning city dweller who wants quality without overspending. The steel choice is where this knife immediately distinguishes itself. The Vosteed Marmoset features a 2.2-inch blade made from 14C28N stainless steel, a tough, rust-resistant choice that sharpens quickly and handles varied EDC tasks. That Sandvik 14C28N is a genuinely excellent everyday steel, prized for striking a smart balance between edge retention, corrosion resistance, and easy maintenance. Exactly the trifecta you want in a knife that'll see constant daily duty in an urban setting. The handle complements that quality beautifully. The micarta handle offers a secure, textured grip, giving you confident control through every cut while adding a touch of premium feel that elevates the whole package. Micarta is a fantastic, hard-wearing material that resists moisture and only looks better with age, making it ideal for a knife you'll carry and use every single day. Where the Marmoset truly shines for urban carry is its remarkable carry flexibility. Its Kydex sheath comes with a rotating belt attachment for both vertical and horizontal carry, or it can accommodate an ulti-clip for pocket carry. That adaptability means you can tailor exactly how and where the knife rides depending on your outfit, your environment, and your local carry laws, a genuinely valuable feature for the city. Reviewers neatly summed up its strengths and minor trade-offs, praising its premium stainless steel, slim build, and adaptable carry, while noting only a slightly higher cost and a narrower handle as the trade-offs for all that refinement. For the urban carrier who wants upgraded steel, a secure micarta grip, and class-leading carry versatility in a compact, affordable package, the Vosteed Marmoset is a stunning choice. Number 3. CIVIVI Mini Elementum Fixed Blade carries forward a legendary reputation for bang for your buck value, and it translates that magic into a compact, rigid, do-anything daily companion. It's an easy knife to recommend, and an even easier one to love. The pedigree here is the real story. As reviewers explained, the CIVIVI Elementum has long been one of the most popular budget-friendly EDC blades, with stellar bang for your buck, solid build quality, and a generally utilitarian form. That folding original earned a massive, devoted following, and the fixed blade version inherits all of that proven design wisdom and refinement. And that translation to a fixed blade is a natural, brilliant fit. The testers noted that. Unsurprisingly, its more compact, rigid counterpart, the CIVIVI Mini Elementum Fixed Blade, makes for a great fixed blade for everyday carry use. By removing the pivot and lock entirely, CIVIVI created a simpler, stronger, faster deploying tool that delivers all the easygoing usability of the beloved Elementum line in an even more dependable form. For urban tasks, this is precisely the kind of knife that just works. Its generous, utilitarian blade profile glides through packages, mail, cordage, food, and the endless little cutting chores of city life with effortless control. There's nothing fussy or specialized about it. It's a clean, versatile slicer designed to handle whatever your day demands without complaint. CIVIVI's fit and finish consistently outpunches its price, too. The brand has built its entire reputation on delivering tight tolerances, clean grinds, comfortable ergonomics, and premium-feeling details at genuinely affordable prices, and the Mini Elementum Fixed is no exception. Pick one up, and it feels like it should cost considerably more than it does. It typically pairs with a quality sheath built for practical, secure carry, rounding out a package that feels genuinely complete straight out of the box. For the city carrier who wants a proven, refined, endlessly versatile fixed blade with unbeatable value pedigree, the CIVIVI Mini Elementum Fixed Blade is a superb choice. Number 2. ESEE Izula II. The ESEE Izula II blurs the line between rugged outdoor tool and refined urban carry, and that crossover capability is exactly what makes it such a phenomenal everyday companion for city life. It's tough, comfortable, and backed by a legendary brand. Reviewers consistently rave about its all-around excellence. As one put it, if you are looking for a wilderness-ready compact fixed-blade knife to EDC, the Izula II is hard to beat. It's designed for outdoor use. But there are some unsurprising crossover elements between small outdoor knives and fixed-blade EDC. That dual-purpose nature means you get genuine hard-use toughness in a package refined enough for daily urban tasks. The ergonomics are a standout strength despite its compact size. Testers noted that. The Izula II is compact, but still has a strong grip thanks to the inward curve in the micarta handle. That thoughtfully sculpted handle locks into your palm and gives you real control and leverage, letting this little blade tackle jobs far bigger than its footprint would suggest. Where it truly excels for the city is its incredible carry flexibility. The Izula II's slim, flat profile makes it a master of discreet, comfortable carry in any orientation you prefer. As reviewers explained, its slim profile lends itself well to horizontal carry on a belt with minimal printing under a shirt, and because of its light weight, it carries nicely from a loop around the neck and on a pack. That versatility lets you adapt your carry to any outfit or setting. There's even a weight-saving option for minimalists. If you want to save on weight, you can get this without handle scales, which drops it down to about 1.9 ounces. Though the added comfort of the full micarta handle is well worth the tiny weight penalty for most users. Number 1. CRKT Minimalist. And here it is, the number 1 affordable urban fixed blade of 2026. The CRKT Minimalist has earned this crown by being, quite simply, the most universally praised budget fixed blade on the planet. A tiny, brilliantly ergonomic, endlessly versatile little tool that delivers staggering performance for an almost laughable price. When experts compile their best value lists, this knife appears again and again, and once you handle one, you'll understand exactly why. The praise is essentially universal across the entire knife world. As one reviewer concluded, the CRKT Minimalist stands as not only an extremely affordable EDC fixed blade, but also one that provides exceptional levels of grip and absolutely stellar ergonomics despite its 3-finger handle. That combination of rock-bottom price and genuinely excellent performance is the entire reason it sits atop this list. Measuring just 5.25 inches in total, the drop-point version of the Minimalist is made from 5CR 15 MOV steel and boasts a set of contoured G10 scales, though it is also offered in a more high-end micarta and 154 cm variant. That means you can grab the ultra-cheap base model or step up to upgraded materials, all while staying firmly affordable. Its versatility is the stuff of legend. One tester captured it perfectly, explaining that. The CRKT Minimalist drop point is a compact value-laden fixed blade that offers great ergonomics and a level of versatility that more than makes up for anything it lacks. For the endless micro tasks of city life, packages, cords, food, repairs, it simply does it all. That ergonomic brilliance is the real magic. Despite its tiny 3-finger handle, the finger grooves and contouring lock your hand in place for impressive control and cutting power, making it feel far more capable than its size suggests. This one sub-$50 knife has graced a myriad of best knife lists, from best boot knives to best fixed blades for everyday carry. The included sheath supports neck, belt, and, with an added clip, pocket carry, giving you total flexibility for any urban setting. The undisputed affordable urban champion of 2026.